Excuse me. I am sorry. This is my first time at an international airport.
It is okay. Please take your time. How can I help you?
I feel a little nervous. I am not sure what to do first.
That is completely normal. First, may I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is. I hope everything is correct.
Thank you. Always make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months.
6 months? Oh, I did not know that.
Yes, many countries require 6 months of validity. It is very important.
I see. I am staying for 1 week only.
That is fine. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here for a holiday. Just sightseeing.
Very good. Tourism is simple. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I printed it. Is this okay?
Yes, this is perfect. Always keep a printed or digital copy.
I was afraid you would ask many difficult questions.
Do not worry. Just answer clearly and honestly.
Okay, I will try to speak slowly.
That is good. Slow and clear is better than fast and confusing.
Where should I look when I speak?
You can look at me naturally. Just stay calm.
I also have a hotel booking. Do you need it?
Yes, please. It is good to show where you will stay.
Here it is. I booked for 7 nights.
Very good. Always have the address and phone number ready?
Why is that important?
Because sometimes officers need to confirm your accommodation.
Oh, I understand now.
Good preparation makes everything easier.
Do I need to show money?
You may be asked, do you have a credit card or some cash?
Yes, I have a credit card and some cash.
That is fine. It shows you can support yourself.
I was worried I needed a lot of cash.
No, a card and reasonable funds are usually enough.
That makes me feel better.
I am glad to hear that.
What happens after this?
After I check your information, I will stamp your passport.
The stamp is very important, right?
Yes, always check the date on the stamp before you leave.
Check the date, so I do not overstay.
Exactly. Overstaying can cause serious problems in the future.
I do not want any problems.
That is why you are doing the right thing, asking questions.
Sometimes I am afraid to ask.
It is okay to ask politely. We are here to help.
Thank you. That makes me less scared.
You are doing very well for your first trip.
Really? I feel clumsy.
Feeling nervous is normal. Preparation gives confidence.
I watched videos to prepare.
That is excellent. Learning before traveling reduces stress.
What if I cannot understand an officer?
You can politely say, "Could you please repeat that slowly?"
Oh, that sentence is useful.
Yes, simple and polite English works best.
Should I give long answers?
No, short, clear answers are better.
So, simple words are enough?
Yes, clear information is more important than difficult words.
I have one more question about customs.
Of course. What would you like to know?
I do not have expensive items. Is that okay?
Yes. If you have nothing special to declare, you can say, "No, I have nothing to declare."
That sentence sounds easy.
It is simple and commonly used.
What about food?
Some countries have restrictions. Always check before traveling.
I did not bring any food.
That is fine. You can say that clearly.
I am starting to feel calmer now.
That's good. Confidence grows step by step.
Airports look scary in movies.
In real life, they follow clear procedures.
So, everything is organized?
Yes, there is a system for every step.
That helps me relax.
Good. Staying calm helps communication.
Thank you for being patient with me.
You are very welcome.
Is my English okay?
Yes, it is clear and understandable.
Even if it is simple?
Simple English is powerful.
I will remember that.
Good. Communication is about clarity, not perfection.
Are we finished now?
Almost. Let me stamp your passport.
Okay. I am watching carefully.
Here is your entry stamp. Please check the date.
Yes, I see it. The date is correct.
Perfect. You may enter the country.
Thank you so much for your help today.
It is my pleasure.
I feel proud of myself now.
You should. You handled everything well. You
Maybe next time I will not be so afraid.
I am sure you will feel much more confident.
Thank you. This is the beginning of my journey.
Welcome. Enjoy your trip and have a wonderful holiday.